Dear students, welcome to Marian College Kutikanam Autonomous. This video explains how we can submit an application for various courses offered by the college. So, let's move on to the video.
In Google, you may go to the official website of Marian College and it takes you to this page where you can see UG Admission 2021. You can click this link or you can go to Admission, UG Admission and then UG Online Application. Before giving all the required details here, you may go through these instructions carefully. Information other than basic personal details can be modified till the closing date for registration of the first phase of admission. If you are applying under general quota, no need to send the application via post. No separate application for community quota. This quota is available for Christian students belong to the Diocese of Kanyirapalli, and you can provide the information regarding diocese, parish in the place provided in the application form itself. Pay the application fee of Rs 500 and submit all the necessary certificates in PDF format online. Students seeking admission to management quota seats are required to fill this general application form first and pay the general application fee of Rs 500. After that, you are required to pay the management quota application fee of Rs 500. I will show all these procedures in this video. So watch the video from start to end. Okay, once you paid this management quota fee, now you can download the management quota application form, fill it and scan the duly filled application with all the proofs of claims and recommendation letter in a PDF file and send all these documents to this given email ID mq@mariancollege.org. Now you can give all the required details here. Your name and date of birth as per official records, your mobile number, email ID currently in use. Confirm that email ID. Click on this verification part and click on submit button. Now you will receive a mail to your given email ID. You can see your login details here. If you click on this link, it will take you to this page where you can click on this login, provide your application number and date of birth, then click on this verification part and submit it. So a new page will appear where you can see your name, application number and phone number, and these are the various steps you need to complete in order to submit the application. For admission related matters, you can contact through these numbers and also you can write to this email ID. Students are required to fill all the mandatory field which is marked in a red star, your religion, caste, category you belong to, nationality, gender, institution last attended, permanent address and address for communication, place of birth, details of your parents, their name, occupation and contact number, details of your local guardian, name, relationship with the applicant and his contact number, then your annual family income. After that, you are supposed to upload your photo and signature as per the given requirement. Okay, suppose you're going to upload your photo. For that, click this choose file. Select the photo, open it. Yes, now your photo has been uploaded. So like this, you can upload your signature also. After that, save this page and then click on next button. Here you need to provide your education details of 10th and plus 2. Students from science or humanities stream can skip this particular area, that is selection of stream for the time being, but they can fill all other required details of 10th and plus 2. Then you need to provide your plus 2 marks here. For that, select the subject first. Suppose English is your first or part 1 subject, then select English. Then provide marks obtained, total mark. Like this you can complete the remaining area also. Next step is course selection. The various courses offered by Marian College is given here. You can mark your preference in ascending order. Suppose if BCom aided is your first preference, then mark it as option number 1. Then if BCom self-finance is your second option, mark it as 2. If BBA is your third option, then mark it as option 3. Like this you can give options up to 5. Then select your application category. Here, those who are planning to submit application under management quota, you need to read these instructions also. Once you complete all this procedure, save this page and click on next option. Next stage is document submission, and these are the different documents you are supposed to upload as part of your admission procedure. Then for that, suppose you are going to upload a 10th mark list, then select the file type, then click on this choose file, select the certificate, open it and click on upload. Yes, your document is uploaded. Just like this, upload all other required documents. And if you are interested in pursuing any of the professional qualification listed along with your BCom program, you can mark that preference here. Then save this page and click on next button. Next step is application fee. Please be noted that once you click on this pay application fee, you will be directed to your bank's website to complete your payment. Your payment will not be complete until we receive your electronic payment confirmation. Please do not close or leave that page until you complete the transaction. You will be redirected to your page once the transaction is completed or you cancelled it manually. So you can click on this pay application fee. Then you can give the necessary details. You can select the option here and provide all the information and make the payment. Then students who marked management quota in application category, once you pay the general application fee first, then management quota fee payment option will be enabled and you can pay that amount and download management quota application form, fill it, and you can send that documents to mq@mariancollege.org email ID. Once payment is completed, then you will be redirected to application page. Now you can preview your application and then you can submit. Here I haven't entered all the mandatory details and that's why it shows as save as draft. Ensure that you have paid online fee and submitted all the required documents for your application. Then only we can proceed with the same. So my dear loving students, grab this opportunity to be a part of Marian family. Thank you.